to a laundry motivation video, you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So I am starting off by stripping our beds. I wanted to start off by washing our bed sheets so that I can be able to remake the bed throughout this video. So that's what I'm doing here. I just washed Logan's bedding. Actually, I tend to change his a little more often because he will have accidents once in a while because we're potty training. So I didn't change his. So as I go downstairs to do my laundry, I realized I forgot a load from the day before and it was so stinky. I'm sure you've done that too. Don't judge me. But it was so smelly. I had to rewash it again. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I will start to catch up with the laundry that I had intended to do. So you guys, look at all these sweat stains on my mattress. So over here I have some hot water and bleach, and I'm gonna try to clean that. So, but first I'm gonna open this to air it out. OMG, I can't believe how much it is. Like, it's a lot. Do we really sweat this much? It's kind of gross. So I'm gonna see if this works. If not, I'm going to try the hydrogen peroxide and Dawn soap method. So I hope this works because this is real life, you guys. Tell me I'm not the only one. Like, we have a mattress protector and it still goes through. Like, literally this looks like pee. And I promise you it's not pee. This is my mattress. Okay, so it's a bit lighter, but it's still not taking it off. You can clearly see the stain on there. Wow, this is so gross. So I'm gonna try the Dawn soap and hydrogen peroxide with some baking soda and see if it works. Okay, so I just had a stain here that was on my son's mattress. The water worked with the bleach on his mattress, but it didn't work on our mattress. So I don't know why, but it's working good for him. Look, he's got sweat stains here too, but his are not even as bad as ours. So I'm gonna try to clean all that off as well. Looking for someone in the neon lights who can make me let go. All right, guys, the stains are pretty much gone. And I've opened his window so we can air it out. It's really strong in here with the bleach, but I'm just happy that the stains are off. It was so gross. Okay, so I can't believe we had that much stains on our mattress. And we do have a mattress protector, honestly, that we think is the best one. But obviously it's not, because our sweat goes through and it stains the mattress, and our mattress is fairly new. And they're expensive, so we gotta take care of them. But anyways, if you guys have like any suggestions on how to remove stains off of the mattress, please let me know, because the bleach is a little bit strong. I just used it on Ethan's bed. I hope by bedtime the smell is gonna be gone, but I can't use it all the time. So if I could find something a little bit more natural, that will be awesome. So anyways, as you saw, I forgot to finish my laundry from yesterday. Now I'm gonna go back and continue with laundry.
forget. I'm here with the scars that you left me. I need to know who you're sleeping next to.
So I wanted to share with you guys the products that I use for my laundry. I use the Downy beads. They are in the lavender scent. And the Purex is for the children, and then the Gain is for me and my husband. My kids have very sensitive skin, so their soap, I have to definitely make sure it's hypoallergenic. Some don't work, but the Gain flared up Ethan's skin, and I feel so bad, so I had to go back to the baby soap. Once in a while I will use this one detergent we get from Costco, the Eco Max or Eco something. Anyway, that one is hyperallergenic, so they didn't react to it, and I had not gotten it for a while, so I used the Gain, and he really flared up his skin. So I always have a baby soap on hand just in case I run out, because I can't make that mistake. His skin really does react. So yeah, anyways, it was the kids' clothes that I have forgotten from the day before, so I just wanted to quickly fold it and put it away while I was waiting for my sheets to be done.
Oh, no, no. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love. Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up with.
So at this point, the sheets were ready to be thrown in the dryer, so I went ahead and I did that, and then I started another load in the washer.
Known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself a much less happy. Back in the days
I can't even remember how many loads I did, but I had so much to do for laundry, and I spent 2 days on this. Believe it or not, I was just doing laundry consistently, and ever since filming this, I've been trying to do a load a day. It's not as productive as I wish for it to be, but it's a start, and I'm just not gonna let my laundry pile up anymore. So anyways, now my sheets were dried, and I was gonna bring them upstairs and start making our beds, and just have them nice and fresh. And at this point, the mattresses were actually dried from being washed from the stains that I had, the sweat stains. Our mattress was still not 100%, but it was definitely much better than it was before. So yeah, I was happy to have done that cleaning. Now I'm just gonna keep retouching on the stains just to be sure that they don't get as bad as they were. I don't take off our mattress cover often, so maybe that's why I didn't even notice them. But yeah, they're kind of gross.
It's overwhelming how people can hate on me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open.
So this was the next day, but on this day I didn't have any washing to do. I had washed and dried pretty much everything the night before, so I just piled up everything in the basket and I brought it upstairs to be folded and to be put away. So that was pretty much what I had to do on the second day. It wasn't as stressful as the first day, the day before. So yeah, that's what I was doing here, just putting away a lot of our laundry. This is mostly the clothes that I hang to dry. That's why it was a lot of it. I like to hang mine and my husband's clothes to dry, most of them, because we don't want them to shrink in the dryer. So yeah, that's pretty much just mine and his laundry that I was putting away. And then I had a few things that I had to go hang in the closet as well, including some sheets that I also had to put away from Logan's bed. He did have an accident. Like I said, he has accidents quite often, so I change his sheets a couple times a week, I must say. So he has more sheets than all of us. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got a ton of laundry motivation. I know laundry is not a favorite for many. I don't know if it's a favorite for anybody, but it's something that we have to tackle and get done, unfortunately. So let me know down in the comments below if you're the person who does a laundry load a day and how it's going for you, because I'm still gonna do it and I'm gonna really try hard, because I think it's a good habit to get into. So go ahead and let me know, and if you are new and haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so, and hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss an upload from me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.